belly button?
I see.
Oh, right there? Where's Nora's belly button? Ding dong! It's the doorbell.
I see. Ball. Ball.
There's balls in there?
What's in there?
Mm-hmm. Can you give Ruby a push?
This is...
Oh, that's you're showing her the belly button? You girls are pretty funny. She wants to see your belly button. Can you show it to her? Beep, beep. You girls are funny. Nora and Ruby. Nora and Ruby. All right, girls.